Yeah, so in this video, I just wanted to talk about how your list can definitely help you when it comes to creating information products. There's two big ways that they can do this, and it's very helpful. It's something that you should use and employ for yourself. So I'm getting some awesome reflection from the sun. It's bouncing off the floor and like lighting me up from the bottom here. So if I'm looking extra handsome in this light, that's why. So um, email marketing has just kind of been part of my business ever since I got started online. It was like one of the very first lessons kind of drilled into me was like, you want to have some type of lead generation. And this was before all these different platforms and whatnot were coming out, but it was like, you want lead generation because you want your list, right? Everyone talks about, oh, the money's in the list. And depending, you can go online and you'll see videos saying, oh, like the money's not in the list or money's in the list. Because people like to be, contrarian or controversial. But here's what I say when it comes to having your list. Do you want, like Google or Facebook or Instagram or whatever to control whether or not you can send out a message or how much of a message you can send out to your people? Or do you want you to have control over that, right? So Russell talks about this a lot when he talks about traffic that you own, but I'm very much a pro list person because of how it was taught to me when I first got started, right? So that was back in the days of like GKIC and my first introductions to sales funnels. It was like set up some way of capturing the leads so that you've got those names of people that you can market to in the future and turn them from leads into customers. Because you will have some people who just become customers right off the bat, and that's great. You've got two lists essentially, right? You've got your customer list and you've got your leads that you're trying to turn into customers and keep building up your customer list. So that's how it was kind of like taught to me when I first got started. And once you have your own email list, like some cool things happen. The first off is you can get feedback about, hey, are you interested in this? Like if I were to build this, would you go and want to be part of it? And when you get people go, yes, I'm in, like you're just like, okay, awesome, like this offer is valid. And I've had times when I've sent out notifications like that and it just came back as crickets, right? And you're just like, oh, okay, so I guess they're not interested in that. They don't want this product. So how great is that, right? You have to look at that as a win because now I didn't go and spend, like 6 hours or 10 hours or 20 hours going and creating a product that I thought was going to sell or that I hoped was going to sell, right? Versus getting immediate feedback and just pitching the offer directly and saying, hey, like, are you interested in this? Would you want to buy this? And having people say yes or no, right? And taking that and going with it. The second way is that you can go and actually get, like feedback from people as far as surveying them, getting them off of email and over to a page and getting them actually type their own words in and give you, like answer a survey in regards to information so that you can kind of customize where your product's going to go or what your message should be or get, more a clearer picture of what your audience is like and what your audience wants. So having your own email list, I think it's like the best thing. It's what you should shoot for all the time. You always want to have a way that you're going to get them off whatever platform that you've got them on and then over and onto your own email list. So yeah, go set up your own lead gen, set up an email list, start getting emails, and you will love it. Thanks for watching this. I'll see you in the next video.